necessarily going through, but it's something that a lot of people don't talk about when they know it be like, that's how it really is. So like, for all my ladies out there, we always get to that point where like talking to somebody or we're getting to know somebody, and once we get to know them a little bit, or maybe even a lot, no matter, you know, everybody different, but we get to that point we'll be like, damn, you know what, like I really like this joint, you feel me, like he cool, or she, or whatever, like they cool or whatever, I really like them, you know what I'm saying, I like their personality, I like, you know, how they treat me, I can laugh with them, talk with them, blah, 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 this, that, and the third, cool. But every time we get to that point, we also get to that point where we think like, damn, I can't tell this motherfucker I really like them though, because then they really gonna start acting stupid. Like, then they gonna start feeling like, damn, alright, well, hell, I got her, or I got him, you know, so like, now I can kind of like go back to doing what I was doing before. Like, people got to understand that it really don't work like that. Well, I mean, lately it's been working like that, because this generation, you'll never know what's going on. But for the most part, like, it really don't work like that, bro. Like, if you really did all that energy to get me, when you get me, why not keep me? You know what I'm saying? Especially if you felt like that it was something that it was worth chasing or worth you getting a hold of. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand it. I really don't understand it. Like, right now, I'm mainly talking about niggas, but I done had my fair share of women too, so I can speak on both behalves. It's just crazy because, like, you would really think, like, damn, okay, I done met somebody, I'm rocking with them, how they rocking with me. You feel me? Like, so now we not necessarily gonna be on one accord, you know what I'm saying, off GP, but at the same time, like, okay, we got we can work on something. But then as soon as you be like, damn, I really like that. And then when you tell them, they be on some, okay, well, I'm gonna call you back, or I'm gonna holler at you later, or this, that, and third. And it's like, well, damn, you know, we was just talking for real, when you was really trying to get to know me, you know what I'm saying, you hit me up 24/7, like, always, you know what I'm saying, trying to figure out what I got going on, or whatever. And now that I'm telling you that I like you, or that you got me, you know what I'm saying, now it's different. Like, fellas, y'all really gotta understand, that is the quickest, and I mean the quickest way to lose a female. That is the quickest way to lose respect from a female. That is the quickest way to get her to stop fucking with you. Like, for real, like, that's the easiest way, because people, like, don't get me to a point where now I like you because you was doing all this extra shit, but now you want to do some other shit. Now I feel like I done wasted my time, and that's my time and energy that I cannot get back. And I could have really been spending that shit on something else or somebody else who you know what I'm saying? Like, man, listen, I don't know how many people gonna really see this video, but just please keep it in your notes. Write it down, because, like, the next few days, I'm probably gonna be spitting some real life sentimental things to you, and you might want to write them down. You know, I don't know everything, but I know a little about a lot, and that's the best way I can put that. So, like, subscribe, leave a comment, you know. Thanks.